Okay, this is a question from MTAP 2016, grade 7. A conical tank full of water is emptied into an empty cylindrical tank of the same height. If the base radius of the cylinder is twice that of the cone, what fraction of the cylinder will be filled with water? First, we need to recall the volume of the cylinder and the volume of the cylindrical tank. So first, as for the volume of a cone, we will have this one. Let's assume that this is the cone, and the cylindrical tank has the same height, but it has the base radius of a cylinder that is twice the cylinder. So same height, but the radius should be twice, just like this one. Then we'll write the volume of the, so we will have let x be the radius of cone, then 2x be the radius of the cylinder. So now we will write the volume of cone. Volume of a cone is equal to 1/3 pi r squared h. So we're going to replace r with x. So replace r with x. Then volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r squared h. It's because the base is circular, so the area of a circle is pi r squared, then the height is the h. That's why pi r squared h. So we're going to replace r with 2x because the radius is twice the radius of a cone, of this cone. So we'll replace r with 2x squared h. So we're going to simplify. It becomes pi 4x squared h, then it will become 4 pi x squared h. So in order to continue, we will now divide volume of a cone divided by volume of cylinder, which is equal to pi x squared h over 3 divided by 4 pi x squared h. Let's check. 4 pi x squared h, and the cone is 1/3 pi x squared h. 1/3 pi x squared h. Okay, that's correct. So it will be, we're going to use law of reciprocality for this one. So pi x squared h over 3, this one will become multiplication, then 4 pi x squared h is just like 4 pi x squared h over 1, so we have 1 over 4 pi x squared h. So we can now cancel x squared, cancel x squared, cancel h. So 1 times 1 times 1, 1 times 1 times 1 is 1, and 3 times 4 is 12. This one becomes 1. So the final answer is 1/12.